Hello friends, it is Saturday morning, bright and early, November 9th. And today is day one of the Camelback Studio tour. We are still just setting up a little bit here. I am tired but wired, so I'm ready to go. I hope you will come out. Again, this is the 16th annual Camelback Studio tour, and Cyn Silva and I are showing our collections of work. So it's a very special time. I'm going to give you just a sneak peek here. We still have a few more things we're setting up. We don't start until 10. And let's see, what else can I tell you about this? We start at 10 a.m. and we are going to have some exclusive pricing incentives on select works from both of our collections. And I'm doing a complimentary fine art giveaway with each purchase today, each fine art purchase. So if you purchase, say, this white WHITE 36 by 48. If you purchase that piece today, then you will get to choose a fine art print from a little series, a limited edition series that I created or printed out, we'll say. Hey guys, hi Lydia, how are you? Please come today if you're in town and free. I know this is like a really busy weekend here in Arizona, because the weather is awesome, although I'm wearing a huge cashmere turtleneck under my outfit and tights and big boots because it's cold. It is cold for us. So I also have my very, very special Le Bon Coeur collection here. And then I also have my very, very special acrylic art block collection. So these are acrylic replications of my work, originals that have already sold. And these are only $50. So these are 4 inches by 6 inch by 1 inch. These are always a huge, huge hit. I'm just going to pan here and give you a little peek. Few of the pieces available. I have not shown this one before. Chaparral, Refashion. Just a few fun pieces. Oh, and from one of my favorites, the Chef Collection. This is from the Squid Ink Amuse-Bouche. This is Dolce. This is Goldfinger. And then this one is Ocetra. And then back here we have In the Wild. That's one of my largest pieces. Hey, Rude Dog. That's one of my largest pieces available today. All right, guys. So I'm not going to blabber on because I don't have time to do that. And we've got lots to do, but hope to see you today. Also, very important to mention. Very, very important. If you are not local and you're not able to come to the Camelback Studio Tour, Studio 13 in person today, I did set up a special collection of work online just for you with exclusive show pricing that I'd love for you to take advantage of if one of these pieces will work for you. So DM me the word art, DM me the word art, or just put it in the comments here and I'll send you that link to shop those pieces if you are not able to come in person, because I am doing some really exciting price reductions on a few of these pieces. None of those actually, but on a few of my really great pieces that someone needs to go home with this weekend. All right, guys, Studio 13, Cyn Silva and myself, and we are one of 16 artist studios in and around the Camelback Mountain area. So we start today at 10, and tomorrow we start at 10. So I hope to see you guys. If you have any questions at all, I will try to be checking my DMs, or text me if you have my cell phone number, or email me if you have my email. But hope to see you. It is going to be a super slamming, jam-packed weekend. Lots and lots of art, and really, really excited to see lots and lots of you. Okay, guys, cheers. Bye-bye. Hope to see you today.